Hi everyone. Welcome to Cocosenor. This is the tutorial to freeze location on Find My iPhone. Method 1. Turn on airplane mode. Swipe down to access Control Center and tap the airplane mode icon. Soon, the internet is disabled. See, no WLAN is connected. And the last known location remains visible. Method 2. Disable location services. Tap Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Toggle it off. Now, no app can track your location. Method 3. Turn off Find My iPhone. Tap Settings. Tap your Apple ID account. Choose Find My. Tap Find My iPhone. Tap the switch to turn off. Now enter the passcode to turn it off. After that, your location will not be updated. Method 4. Use Cocosenor Locationgo. If you do not want others track your location, it is a good idea to set a fake location on iPhone. Cocosenor Locationgo can fake your iPhone location without turning it off. You can have a try. In today's video, I will show you how to change the location on iPhone. From the home page, click the Start button. Then select your iPhone and hit Next. Next, we need to turn on Developer Mode. To change location, you can click on the map to choose the location. And then, click on Modify. Okay, it's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.